Good afternoon, everybody. And yes, there is a great gap between the sharing of the topics and between the sharing of the videos. So today, I am going to record another video for all of my learners, for all of my students who are still doing mathematics syllabus D2. So today we're gonna start chapter number 15. Today's class, that is about chapter number 15, and topic is probability. So before going for the examples, before going for some further questions and all that stuff, so first of all, what is a probability? If in one word I say probability, so probability is a chance of anything. What is going to be happen if Pakistan win the T20 series? It's a chance. Will it be any rain? So it's a chance. So probability means chance for anything. Whatever is going to be happen, there must be a chance. There must be a percentage. So very basically, if we talk about the probability, the answer of the probability is lies between 0 and 1. If we give in decimal or if we give in fraction, whether we give in percentage. Probability answers will be always between 0 to 1. If I just gave you an example of a dice, a Ludo dice, all of us used to play the Ludo. A Ludo dice, basically there are 6 numbers on a Ludo dice. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. It is bearing 6 numbers. If I am being asked what is the probability of even numbers, so how many even numbers I have? I have basically 6 even numbers over here. So I would say the probability of even number is 3 by 6. If I simplify this one, I will get 1 by 2. And if this 1 by 2 fraction is converted into decimal, it would be 0.5. Half, 50% chances of getting an even number. Why I am giving you this example? To support this statement. Answer of probability is always between 0 to 1. If instead of this one, instead of a dice, if I talk about a coin, and we know that there are 2 options on a coin, whether it will be head or it will be a tail. There will be 2 options only, head or tail. So if I am being asked in percentage, what is the probability of head? How much percentage do we have if we toss a coin, we will get head on the floor? So it will be 50%. Mean the probability of getting a head if we toss a coin is 50%. If this 50% is converted to the fraction, this will be 50 by 100, and again 50 by 100 is equal to 0.5. Means probability answer is always between 0 and 1. Now the second thing, if I talk about that particular chapter, over here there are utilized 2 main things, 2 main words. First one is sample size. This is the first new word, and the second word is sample space. Normally you will be asked a question, you are given a dice, just consider this question, what is the sample size and sample space for this one, or what is the difference between sample size and sample space. If we talk about sample size, so sample size means that overall quantity, overall possibilities. In a dice, how many possibilities we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, total 6 chances on a dice we have. So if I am being asked what is the sample size of a dice, of a regular dice, it would be 6. What is the sample size of a coin? How many options on a coin we have? I have 2 options on a coin. So the sample size for a coin is 2. This is for a dice. This is for a coin. And what about sample space? Sorry, I just correct this one. Sample space. Sample space means in sample size you just need to verify, just need to mention the quantity. But in sample space, we have to write all those numbers. Mean what is the sample space for the dice? This will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. These all possible options are there. If we just talk about the dice, it's a sample space for the dice. Mean if enclosed all possible options, all possible chances within the brackets, that would call the sample space. Similarly, what is the sample space of a coin? The sample space for the coin is head or tail. That is the difference between sample size and sample space. So regarding this one, if we just consider the basic things, basic questions of this chapter, your maximum portion of this chapter is based on the sample size and the sample space. So this is the very first thing which you need to keep in mind about these two words. Today's discussion was initially this was about the difference between these two words. What is the sample size and what is the sample space, and answer of probability is always between 0 to 1. Hope so this will be beneficial for you, all of you. So thank you so much and see you later.